So you get the Panta bed rail. In this video, I'm going to try to get this thing assembled and installed on your bed so you know exactly what to expect when your bed rail arrives. But here's what you get. So you get the bed rail itself. You're also going to get straps if you want to strap it around your bed frame. Personally, I install a lot of these. I never use this, and I'm okay, so it's totally optional for you. It does give you a little more security if you want it. But so we got the bed rail itself. As you can see here, I did already put the legs on there, but all it is just popping these into place. Super, super easy. Now at this point, we just need to get that installed. We want to get our handle on top of here. So what we're going to do is put it like this. Make sure I got the correct direction going, and then we'll get it into place. And like I said, you slide these on, put those pins in, there's slide there, and we'll just find it on here, and we'll be good. All right, there we go. Just like that, pops into place. Move to the other one. Same exact process. Push down, push the pin in. It'll pop into place. Now at this point, just need to get the part that's going to go underneath our bed, and that just slides on like this. All very, very easy. So one on there, push the other pin into place, and just like that, this thing is assembled. It really, really is that easy. At this point, I'm going to bring it over to my bed and try to get it installed onto your mattress. Okay, and now we can install it onto your bed frame. And at this point, you kind of want to measure out how tall it's going to be. But it's very easy to push those pins up and down. Personally, I have already measured it. So all I have to do now is slide it underneath here. So just want to lift your mattress up. Make sure you have a bed frame that does have slats or something underneath so it can kind of sit securely between your bed frame and your mattress. That's going to be how this thing works. But just like that, this thing is fully installed. And like I said, I never use the straps. And like this, I can hang on this like a monkey bar. It's not going anywhere. You're going to get on and off your bed with this. So super, super easy to use. Overall, it's a great tool if you struggle getting in and out of bed, or maybe a loved one does, due to just kind of like old age or surgery or whatever it may be. Like I showed, you can assemble and install this in literally a couple minutes. It's going to make life so much easier. So I'm a fan of this tool. I give it 2 thumbs up.